Managing one elevator company is hard. Managing in two different countries with different regulations, different teams, and different customer expectations should be impossible. Yet Mr. Ashok Pareira does exactly that. He runs elevator operations in India and the UK from one dashboard. Here's how. 2 countries, 2 teams, 2 regulatory environments, 2 completely different customer expectations, information siloed by geography. The owner had no single dashboard showing both operations. Coordination between locations was call and email. Slow, error-prone, exhausting. And the cost of getting it wrong wasn't just inefficiency. It was real money in penalties and customer churn. Generic CRMs and ERPs failed Mr. Ashok for the same reason they fail every elevator company. They don't understand industry workflows. Multi-country layered on top of that made the failure inevitable. One-size-fits-all forced him to choose. Customize for India and break the UK, or customize for the UK and break India. Neither was acceptable. We deployed one ElevatorPlus instance with location-specific configurations. India operations, workflows configured for Indian regulations, customer communication patterns, and technician routing in Indian cities. UK operations, workflows configured for UK compliance standards, UK customer expectations, UK currency, and tax handling. Same core system, 2 market-specific configurations. No forking, no separate instances, no duplicated effort. Every team member sees only what's relevant to their location and responsibilities. India Service Team, India Service Queue. UK Installation Team, UK Installation Pipeline. Mr. Ashok, as owner, had a unified view of both. No noise, no confusion. Clear lines of responsibility. Single login, top filter, country. Below, every KPI side by side, leads, jobs, AMC renewals, and payments in both countries. Before ElevatorPlus, Mr. Ashok's day started with calls. The Indian team is asking questions the UK team had already answered. He was the coordination layer between 2 businesses. After one dashboard in the morning, the calls dropped, the clarity arrived. If you're operating in one country today, but eyeing expansion, the same architecture works. Add a 3rd country, a 4th. Each gets its own configuration. The owner gets one unified view. ElevatorPlus is built to handle this without rebuilding from scratch. Comment Global if you're running multi-country operations or planning to, or book a demo at elevatorplus.com.